Hi, thank you for tuning into my channel. I hope you stay tuned to see how I got this look. So it's half up, twist in the back, and perm rods in the front. So hope you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you like this hairstyle. I will continue to do different variety of hairstyles for natural hair. But, yeah, stay tuned to see how I did the style. I will keep you posted on how it looks throughout the week. So first you start off with freshly washed hair. I actually let mine air dry because I decided to eat right after I was done with my washing my hair. But I do have a spray bottle. It's filled with water, and I don't remember what oil. It kind of smells like jojoba oil, but then again it could be argan oil because my hair loves argan oil. But either way, I don't really know what oil I have in the bottle. So to start off with the style, you have to do the parting. So I had to part the middle section, the two sides that'll be out, and then the back that'll go up. So I just made like a bowl shape around. I'm kind of OCD when it comes to parting, which you can tell later on in the video, because then I kind of don't like my hair, but you'll see. I like it, but I don't like it. Anyway. I don't know if y'all could tell, but let me just tell y'all, the back, my arms were tired. And if you see me lean forward, that's because my arms are tired. Not because I'm reaching the top of my head. It's because I was tired from parting the whole time, or then twisting right after the part and having my hands behind my head going upward. Sprayed the section first with the water, added the Melanin product. Basically that's all I added, one finger, and then I added a little bit on the ends. Then I just raked through with my fingers, then used my denim brush, then started the twisting. I did also twist all the way to the end on the two twists I did on the sides, and then I used the perm rods. So once I got to the front, I used the same system I was using for the back, but before I put the perm roller in, I twist my hair, and then I oiled the ends, and then I just wrapped it around. I actually added a little gel, which I don't show. Added a little gels around the end so it sticks to the perm rod better. And then I wrapped it. And it's better when you twist and roll, because otherwise it hangs down a little further, and it's easier when it comes to taking it down. wrap my hair up at night, put my bonnet on. Good night. So the next morning, I used the Melanin multi-use blend oil. You have fun and you shake your hair out, like, go girl, hey. I oiled my hands, rubbed it through my hair, and then takedown is easy. Since you already had it twisted, you're able to separate it faster. That's the point of twisting before rolling. So it was just untwist, and I slid my hands through. I end up taking the two sides and crisscrossing in the back so it looks like it's holding up the rest of the braids, and I realized I didn't show that, so I did do that part besides the bobby pinning the sides up, and I lifted the front up a little bit so it wasn't in my face since I do wear glasses. One on the left side, my hair wasn't completely dry, so I had one twist that just looked at fuzzy, so I just, you know, tucked it under so your girl, you couldn't see it, okay? And later that night I end up re-rolling it because, like I said, I like neat hairstyles, so after I took down my hair, took down the twist, I actually changed the back. So basically I just untwisted it because I wasn't feeling the way it was looking. And now it kind of looks like this at the top, and I feel like I need to perm roll that part because it just kind of don't really go well. Yeah. So I'm trying to decide. So I might retwist it just differently, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is day 4 hair. I just pinned it to the side. So as you can tell, some curls have gone. They're not holding that well. Push the back up. So yeah.